In today's video, I'm going to teach you lead scoring tutorial for Zoho CRM. We'll walk through creating a simple manual scoring rule so you can prioritize leads based on engagement and behavior. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each setting does, and a few best practices to keep things clear for your team. Start by opening your Zoho CRM and heading to the home area. From there, click the Setup icon, which opens your system settings. In the Settings page, find the Automation section and choose Scoring Rules. This is where all your scoring frameworks live. Click New Scoring Rule to begin. Give your rule a clear name. A good naming tip is to include the module and purpose. For example, leads, email engagement. Next, choose the type. For this walkthrough, select Manual Score. Manual scoring lets you define explicit point values for specific actions and attributes, which is great for transparency and control. Now select the module you want the rule to apply to. Choose Leads for this example. Pick the layout you want it applied on. Selecting all layouts makes it universal across different lead forms. You also have the option to add a description. Use this to explain the intent, like what actions earn points and how the score will be used by sales. Click. Next, to move into the Criteria Builder. Here, you can add more description if needed for internal documentation. Then click Add Criteria to start defining how points are awarded or deducted. Look for email insights and select the relevant engagement signals. Choose the email insights you want to track, things like opens, clicks, and replies, so these actions can contribute to a lead score. Select each insight you want to include. After selecting your insights, use Add to assign positive points for favorable actions. For example, if an email is opened or clicked, you might give a few points. Add again to include additional positive behaviors as separate criteria. You can also use Subtract to penalize negative signals, such as unsubscribes or bounces, so the score reflects both interest and disinterest. Be consistent with point values, and make sure the scale makes sense for your pipeline. When your criteria and point values are set, click Save. If prompted about updating existing records, you can choose to continue without updating for now. This is helpful when you want to finalize your setup and roll it out to new incoming data, then revisit historical scoring later. That's it. Your manual scoring rule for leads is now ready. Keep your rules simple at first. Test them with real activity, and refine as your team learns what best predicts conversion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.